According to the very old Japanese calendar that I, by the way, have a nice blog post about on my blog that I will link down below, we are already in the middle of spring, it says. And spring always wants to make me go bow with my obi arrangements. So here is a tutorial for this super cute obi style. In case you are here for the first time, my name is Matsunaga and I'm a fully trained and certified kimono teacher and stylist. A few weeks ago I had a conversation with one of you in the comments that made me notice that I only post Hanhaba Obi arrangements when it's summer, because I think most of you tend to wear Hanhaba in summer, because a lot of people think that Hanhaba Obi are only for yukata and sometimes also called yukata obi. That is not correct. You can wear Hanhaba Obi with any casual kimono and of course yukata. And I have to say that among my kimono friends, that is a wide range from kimono beginners to 70-year-old veteran kimono teachers. Hanhaba Obi are way more popular for daily life and casual kimono. So don't hesitate to try this cute little obi arrangement for your picnic under plum blossoms. For this obi arrangement you need a Hanhaba Obi a little bit more on the longer side, so 4 meters should be perfect for this. You also need an obijime and an obiage, which I am wearing right now. And I do recommend to have a clip that can be also replaced with a usual clothespin. I always do say that in my videos, but if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, I always have to mention that. And a tie is also very recommended. So let's dive right into it. First, it will help you a lot when you pre-fold the obiage. Fold the edges to 1/3 inside. And fold this again in half. Place the obiage next to you so it's easily accessible. This obi arrangement is tied on the front, so I'm wearing my obijime for tying obi on the front. Start with measuring the length of the tail. Hold the end with your right hand while measuring the length to your shoulder. Hold this length with your left hand. Fold it in half when you haven't yet and clip it onto your obijime. Let the tail rest on your shoulder while wrapping the obi around your waist. Hold the obi in your right hand and pull to tighten. Wrap the obi a second time. Remove the clip and hold both ends of the obi. Pull with the right hand to tighten. Fold the tade into half. Let it rest on your left arm while you pull the tail to your left and fold it nicely into half. The trick with this obi arrangement is to lay tade on tail to form a triangle. Make a loop with the tade and pull this loop through the triangle to tie the obi. See, you have now a tail end, a tade end, and a loop. Take the tail and form one fold in its center. And then one above and one under it. Hold this and place it in the middle of the loop. Pull the tade downwards to tighten the loop. When the knot feels a little bit loose, pull tade on tail to fasten. And voila, you have created this cute bow that will sit on top. Open up the tade and put it flat behind the obi. Pull it through. Now align the end of the obi to the lower edge on your waist. Put the obiage for about your hand size from this line behind the obi and lift it so it sits on the knot we have tied earlier. Tie the obiage on the back. Open up the 2 layers to widen the canvas. I've tried a few methods, and for this part I found the easiest to create a nice otaiko shape by using a himo. Put the himo behind the 2 layers of the obi at the height of the lower edge of the obi on your waist. Fold the ends upwards and tie the himo on the back. Pull the obijime through the otaiko and make sure it sits on top of the ends we have just folded up and secured with the himo. Tie it on the back. When I do this, I tie a plain knot, switch the ends and tuck them under the obijime. Feel free to use a mirror to arrange the shape of the bow and the otaiko nicely. First of all, take off the himo and the clip. And then you can turn the obi. Retie obiage and obijime, and make sure to check my tutorials for that in my links down below. Always do straighten out the front after tying the obi, and you are ready to go! When you liked the obi style, please tell me down below in the comments. Leave me a thumb up and share this video with your friends. I already have lots of requests I have to work on, but if you have anything you want to know about kimono and want me to make a video about that, do also let me know in the comments. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and I talk to you in my next video. Bye!